This is raising serious questions about voting rights across the country. In a 6-3 decision, the Supreme Court says one of Louisiana's majority black districts was drawn unconstitutionally. Leila Cox explains how Wednesday's ruling could lead to implications nationwide.
At the center of Wednesday's Supreme Court ruling is how Louisiana draws its congressional maps and whether or not those lines fairly represented black voters. The justices ruled Louisiana lawmakers violated white voters' rights when they drew a second minority-majority district in 2022 in a 6-3 decision Wednesday.
This is obviously the right result. They determined that the last map that was drawn for Louisiana was done unconstitutionally, and we've been saying that consistently from the beginning.
But historically, Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act has been used to address vote dilution, particularly in cases where minority communities are split across districts, and essentially prevented minorities from electing candidates of choice without proof of intentional discrimination.
A despicable decision that is a return to Jim Crow.
Democrats and civil rights groups are sounding the alarm about how Wednesday's ruling limits the Voting Rights Act's ability to protect minority voters from vote dilution and redistricting.
So now you have to actually include to show that there's some minority dilution. You have to show that they intentionally used race and did not use partisanship, and that's extremely difficult to do.
Anthony Fairfax is a demographic mapping consultant who testified in the Louisiana case.
I've seen estimates of 15 to 17 districts may have a direct issue that could be redrawn. I've seen other estimates as high as 70.
The national redistricting battle is far from over. Fairfax says certain minorities could be disenfranchised at a local, state, and federal level.
Election or the electability of Black, Latino, Asian, Native American candidates of choice throughout our country.
Leila Cox, 13 News Now.
And President Donald Trump referred to Wednesday's ruling as, quote, the kind of ruling I like, and says more states should redraw congressional districts. The NAACP national chapter is holding an emergency town hall meeting tonight at 7:15, and 13 News Now will have more details on that tonight at 11.